Hey guys, this is Jeremy here. So Nuxt 3 is out and it is stable, it's good and ready for production. Now, one of the best ways, maybe the best way to learn how to use any web framework is to download a starter kit, right? Because when you download a starter kit, it will help you know how the code is written. It's pretty much like an example app that you can learn from. So that's why I built this Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit, and it's completely free. Click the link in the description below this video on YouTube, right? Click the link below and you can download it. It's completely free. And when you download it, it comes with these parts, it comes with pages. So you learn how to build pages in your Nuxt 3 app. These are the pages here. As you can see, we're switching from page to page. Right? Are we moving? Yeah, we're switching from page to page. Something's blocked. There we go. Now it's working. We're switching from page to page, right? There's a layout. You can learn how to build layouts in Nuxt app. A layout is like the outside of your app. This navigation is in a layout. That way it is consistent from page to page. You also get the use head composable. You learn how to style change the title of every page. That's supposed to change there, but I forgot to do that, so you can do that. And also the description. This helps with search engine optimization. You also get a custom plugin. This little, you see here, today's date comes from a plugin. So this little plugin, all it does is just spit out today's date. But you learn how to write plugins in Nuxt 3. You also have components. Components are like the building blocks of your app, and they help you avoid repeating code. So you learn how to do that. I also wrote a little bit of TypeScript, and TypeScript is like JavaScript with data types. Nuxt 3 is written in TypeScript. You don't have to use TypeScript, but it's written in TypeScript because it helps you write safer code, right? So you can do whatever you want with this Nuxt starter kit. I got the template from the guys at Tailwind toolbox, but now it is a Nuxt app. As you can see here, we get our view dev tools. See that Nuxt root, and it is completely free for you, so you can get something to start with and start building right away. Click the link in the description below. Download your free Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's nice. And guess what? It's yours. All right. I'll talk to you soon.